Hello friends, in this video we learned that how can we use float which is in CSS. So float is a property of CSS, and by using float we can bring image right or in left. So let's create a new file by name float.html. So here it is. Now title, and then in body I will type the coding of an image, and it is an image folder, and I want flamingo.jpg, this one, and then alt flamingo. Now I will give width and height to this JPG image, and the width I will give is of 200 pixel, and the height will be of 150 pixel is perfect. Now let's see the output one time, then we will style it with float. So here's the image, and then so type here style, and then img float, then you can give here left. So this is the left side, that's why the image is here, or you can also give here right. Now you can see that the image is at right side. So friends, like this you can use float. So thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.